Hi there, Chef Daina here from our Ignite Test Kitchen. This is day 10 of our 12 Days of Christmas recipes. Today we have made a Christmas wreath with antipasto skewers. So these make a nice quick little appetizer for all of your holiday parties. Join us tomorrow for a Christmas tree spinach breadsticks. Okay, so I've already started here just to kind of give you an idea. So all you're gonna do is take these little 3.5-inch skewers and you simply just start poking them through. For the salami, I like to fold it into quarters, so half and then half again, just like that. Poke it on there, maybe a black olive. This cheese, the cheese I smoked yesterday in our Combi, the alto-shaam Combi. I cold smoked it, put some ice down, and then the wood chips. It has a wonderful smoky flavor. So that's all you gotta do. And you simply just lay them around in a circle and just continue the process until you have enough of your appetizers that you want. Okay, for the final step, after you've built how many ever skewers that you think you'll need for your event, I would just take some leaves. They can be basil, spinach leaves, and just kind of tuck them under here and there. Just so you have like your wreath effect. And then you can also take some rosemary and use that as well. It's kind of like arranging flowers. You just stick them in here and there till you are happy with the outcome. And I just kind of rotate the different colors of what the tomatoes, olives, the cheese. Just kind of rotate the different colors around so you have a nice and colorful platter when you're done. And we'll just do one more rosemary over here. And there you have your Christmas wreath, antipasto wreath appetizer plate. Merry Christmas.